Aquí tenemos a Bori. He's the one that he takes care of the house, makes sure that everything is clean.
Yeah.
But what happened here?
Oh no, I need some boxes to take this out. Boxes.
No. So we'll get you some garbage cans.
Okay, that too.
So we'll get him some garbage cans. Man, thank you for helping us keep the property clean. It always looks nice. And it's safe. Anybody fucks with this guy, he'll fucking kill them. This is a really nice layout. This house is so beautiful.
I want to good.
This is probably like 1,1300 square feet. You know, remember, we bought this property as is. We just had to update the electricity, the plumbing. We're doing the stairs because they were wearing up to code. We're putting in the garage door, the sidewalks. We have to finish the insulation, the sheetrock, the bathrooms. But this is a great opportunity. We're really happy that we got it. If anybody wants to sell a house that's ugly, nobody wants in town, call us, we'll buy it. If you need any help building one of these houses, let us know. We'll help you. If you want to take our course, call us, we'll help you learn how to do this. This is a great opportunity for you to learn this. You could make some serious money. Once you get going, your income could possibly be anywhere from $250 to like $1 million a year. So if you want to learn how to do this, call me, I'll teach you how to do it. It's a great business and I'll teach you every step of the way. Boom. This is the deal. You gotta buy your own house. You have to buy your own house because you don't wanna pay rent forever. I remember when I was 20 years old and I first got my first apartment, I was paying like $700 a month. The cheapest apartment in a tough area, in our area, is $1,700, $1,800, $2,000. Buy your house now because in the future, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, it's gonna probably be $3,500, $3,000. So what I'm trying to say is, buy the ugliest house you can, fix it up little by little. Don't pay rent. Try not to pay rent. Put all your money together, sell your car, do whatever you need to do. Put a down payment on the house. They got great programs. FHA has great programs. You could get them with like 3% down. The rates are like under 3%. And get your house because 20 years from now, you're gonna be paying $3,000 a month in rent. We're already paying $2,000 a month in a like not the best areas in the world. And it's just gonna continue to go up. So I'm gonna recommend that you buy a house now. Call us, we'll help you. Boom. So we had a plywood there that was covering up the garage door, and we just got this. A garage door. I'm so excited. It looks so much better. The property looks so much better. So once they put the new steps in, and once we get this out and we put the new driveway in, it's gonna look so amazing. I can't wait to show you that product. I can't wait to show you a 1 week or 2 week transformation. I don't even know how I have electricity. House doesn't have electricity. It's just going up and down. They're tapping the lines. I think they're tapping the neighbor's lines.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Eso se llama robando luz. Tapping the line. Tapping the electricity. Tapping the PSE&G. No, I'm kidding. We're getting it from the neighbor and we hook him up with a couple of bucks for his bill. Today, we got the garage door in. We did the stairs. DJ came early this morning at around 8. He had to go back home because he had to go buy a tree with his wife and his baby, my little grandson. We're excited about that. We're excited about the house. We're getting it done. People, again, I want you guys to build your house. I want you to learn this business. I want you to do everything that we're working on. We'll teach you. It's not easy, but we'll walk you through every step of the way. Our job is to support you guys, but get it done. We'll help you. Boom.